Let's talk about Boveda 75% RH individually overwrapped 2-way humidity control pack, large 60-gram size. Never guess if or when to refill your humidifier again. Cycles and humidity are eliminated. No more hassle of using distilled water. No need to activate, maintenance-free. Use 2 packs for every 50 cigars your humidor can hold. Great. The product works well, but it maintains the humidity at just below 75, so it's a bit off. I ended up using 2 pouches, but they can be recharged. Excellent packaging. Fast delivery. Good product quality. A big expensive stuff. This is why I can't give 5 stars, as it would entirely worth it.